Okay, everyone, I'm still hanging out in our science center. We are going to look at different insects, but this week we're kind of focusing on ladybugs and beetles. And beetles are, like our ladybugs, have that hard exoskeleton. Their shell or their bones are on the outside of their body. So they don't have like us where you feel inside and we're kind of squishy on the outside with the bone on the inside. They have a nice hard shell that protects them. It's just their bones on the outside of their body. Okay? But let's count to see if 6 legs. Is he an insect? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, this is a rose Schaefer beetle. And he definitely works. This is called a longhorned beetle. As you can see, those aren't legs at the very top. It's very, very long. His antennae are very long. Sometimes our beetle friends might have their long shell that opens up so they can fly. If you were an insect, would you want to be one that could fly? Would you want to be one that could walk on water? Would you want to be one that could make a chrysalis or a protection around you that will help you transform into something else? Mrs. Boyer is going to explain to you how ladybugs change and the different life cycles that they go through. So would you want to be one that changes like that? How would you look when you were little to when you'd look when you were a grown insect? All right, this is called a leaf bug. It kind of has a nice wide outside exoskeleton. It sort of makes it blend in. So a lot of times these, oops, you're in the wrong spot, my friend. A lot of times these beautiful shells and everything are used to help them blend in or camouflage with the environment that they live in. So maybe if they are darker, they might blend in with a tree. Maybe they're going to want to be green and shiny to blend in with the leaves based on where they're going to spend most of their day. We just have a bunch of really, really cool bugs and insects. That guy's the same as that one. And, ooh, look at this guy. Oh, man. Some of these guys just have very unique and cool. This is a blister beetle. There's just some beautiful different beetles and ladybugs, and kind of based on the number of their coloring, their dots. This one is a Gutta bug. It kind of looks like a ladybug, but he's a little different. The color's not quite the same, but it kind of is the same shape. The spots, these ones are almost perfectly symmetrical. Symmetrical means the same on both sides. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. It's very pretty. So as you look around you, see if you can find what sort of hard-shelled insects you see outside. There could be some cicadas around. If I can find a picture of a cicada, I will put it up as well, because sometimes around school we've had some beautiful cicadas that will be hanging out by our door, just like Mrs. Boyer found those awesome spiders outside of our door. So this might be the time of year you start seeing some of our beetle and ladybug friends walking around. Now remember, we got to take care of the environment because, well, you guys are really good leaders. And so as a leader, you should help and take care of everything on this earth. Each other and the animals and plants. So we don't want to smush or smash them when they're outside. That's them in their home. You want to help take care of them. We don't want to pick them up and squeeze them and hurt them, but we can use watching eyes and look at them. Let's see. Where is our... There is our beautiful ladybug, and you can see the red red shell right there. And oh, there was a couple you didn't get to see the other day. Where'd you go? This is a spider, and we learned about those arachnids. They're different from our insects because they have more legs. They have 8 legs, while insects have 6. So that is a beautiful spider making a web, and this is a special spider called a tarantula. It is its own thing. They're kind of fuzzier guys than that. Okay, friends, keep an eye out for different beetles and bugs this week. Remember to take care of them because you are fantastic leaders, and just kind of use those watching eyes to see if you can see all 6 legs and if you could see their exoskeleton or their bones on the outside of their body. All right, bye, friends.